You're starting an exciting chapter in your life. Whether you're in high school, college, or just starting out on your own, understanding personal finance is crucial. It's about taking control of your money. You can then achieve your goals and build a secure future. This guide will give you the tools you need to master your finances. We'll cover everything from earning and saving to budgeting and investing. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a race. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial well-being grow. This is about more than just numbers. It's about understanding the value of your hard work. It's about making smart choices today to create a brighter tomorrow. Let's get started. Are you ready to take charge of your financial future? Let's dive in. Imagine your finances as a river system. Income flows in like rivers and streams. Expenses flow out like tributaries. Savings are like reservoirs, holding money for future use. Understanding this flow is key to managing your money. You need to know where your money is coming from and where it's going. Tracking your income and expenses is crucial. It helps you understand your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. Once you have a grasp of your financial flow, you can start making informed decisions about saving, budgeting, and investing. Ready to chart your own financial river system? Let's explore the sources of your income. Earning money is the first step towards financial independence. It's not just about having cash in your pocket, but about creating a foundation for your future. As a young adult, you have various options to generate income. These options can range from traditional employment to more entrepreneurial endeavors. Part-time jobs are a great starting point. They not only provide a steady paycheck but also help you develop essential skills. Retail, food service, and customer service jobs offer valuable work experience and a steady paycheck. These roles teach you how to manage time, handle responsibility, and interact with customers. On-campus jobs provide convenience and flexibility for students. They allow you to earn money without having to leave the campus, making it easier to balance work and studies. Consider working at the library, student union, or as a teaching assistant. These positions often offer flexible hours and can be a great way to gain experience in a professional setting. Starting a small business allows you to pursue your passions while earning income. Whether it's crafting, baking, or offering a unique service, turning your hobby into a business can be both fulfilling and profitable. Think about selling handmade crafts, offering tutoring services, or starting a blog or YouTube channel. These ventures can start small and grow over time, providing a creative outlet and a source of income. Online ventures offer flexibility and the potential for passive income. With the internet, you can reach a global audience and work from anywhere. Explore freelance writing, graphic design, or social media management. These fields allow you to leverage your skills and work on projects that interest you. Remember, every dollar you earn contributes to your financial well-being. Saving and managing your income wisely can help you build a secure future. Explore different income streams and find what works best for you. Diversifying your income sources can provide stability and open up new opportunities. Now that you have income flowing in, let's talk about building a safety net for unexpected expenses. Having an emergency fund can protect you from financial setbacks and give you peace of mind. Life is full of surprises and not all of them are good. An emergency fund is crucial for handling unexpected expenses without going into debt. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This will cover unexpected car repairs, medical bills, or job loss. Start small and gradually build your emergency fund over time. Even setting aside $20 a week can make a difference. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind. It ensures that you can weather financial storms without derailing your financial progress. With your emergency fund in place, you can now focus on creating a budget that aligns with your financial goals. Section 5. Budgeting Basics, the 50-30-20 rule. Budgeting doesn't have to be restrictive. In fact, it can be quite liberating when done correctly. It's about understanding where your money is going and making conscious choices about your spending. By doing so, you can take control of your financial future and reduce stress. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple and effective budgeting method. It provides a clear framework that can help you manage your finances without feeling overwhelmed. It allocates your after-tax income into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. 50% for needs, which includes essential expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. These are the non-negotiables that you must cover to maintain your basic standard of living. Then, 30% for wants, covering discretionary spending like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and subscription services. This is the category where you can enjoy life's pleasures and treat yourself. Finally, 20% for savings and debt repayment, which means allocating this portion to building your emergency fund, saving for goals, and investing in your future, and paying down any outstanding debts. This helps you secure your financial future and reduce financial burdens over time. By following this rule, you can ensure that you're covering your essential expenses, enjoying life's pleasures, and working towards your financial goals. It creates a balanced approach to managing your money. Remember, budgeting is a fluid process. It's important to review and adjust your budget regularly to reflect changes in your income, expenses, and financial goals. Adjust the percentages based on your individual circumstances and priorities. Flexibility is key to making your budget work for you. Now that you have a budget in place, let's discuss the responsible use of credit cards. Proper management of credit can further enhance your financial stability and help you achieve your long-term goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to be notified of more videos. Section 6. Credit cards, handle with care. Credit cards can be valuable tools for building credit and earning rewards. However, they must be used responsibly to avoid falling into debt. Always pay your credit card balance in full and on time to avoid interest charges and late fees. Keep track of your spending and avoid overspending. Set a budget for credit card purchases and stick to it. If you find yourself struggling with credit card debt, seek help from a reputable credit counseling agency. Remember, credit cards are not free money. Use them wisely to build a positive credit history and avoid financial pitfalls. Now, let's explore the exciting world of investing and growing your wealth for the long term. Section 7. Investing for the future. In this section, we will delve into the various strategies and tools available to help you secure your financial future through smart investing. Investing is one of the most effective ways to build wealth over time. By putting your money to work in different investment vehicles, you can potentially grow your savings and achieve your financial goals. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over the long term. The key is to start early and be patient, allowing your investments to compound and grow. Stocks represent ownership in publicly traded companies. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder and can benefit from the company's growth and profits. They offer the potential for high returns but also come with higher risks. Stock prices can be volatile, and it's important to be prepared for market fluctuations. Bonds are debt securities issued by governments or corporations. When you purchase a bond, you are essentially lending money to the issuer in exchange for periodic interest payments and the return of the bond's face value at maturity. They typically offer lower returns than stocks but are considered less risky. Bonds can provide a steady income stream and help balance the risk in your investment portfolio. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. They offer broad market exposure and are known for their low costs and simplicity. They provide diversification and are a popular choice for long-term investors. By investing in an index fund, you can spread your risk across many different companies and sectors. Retirement accounts, such as 401ks and IRAs, offer tax advantages for retirement savings. These accounts can help you save more efficiently by deferring taxes on your investment gains until you withdraw the money in retirement. Start contributing early to maximize your savings potential. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compounding. Remember, investing involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. It's crucial to understand the risks associated with each investment and to diversify your portfolio to manage those risks. Do your research, consider your risk tolerance, and consult with a financial advisor if needed. A well-informed decision can make a significant difference in your investment outcomes. Now let's explore the magic of compound interest, the investor's best friend. Compound interest allows your investments to grow exponentially over time, as you earn interest on both your initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods. Section 8. The power of compound interest. Compound interest is the interest earned on both your principal and any accumulated interest. It's like earning interest on your interest. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger. Compound interest works the same way. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small contributions invested consistently can grow significantly over time, thanks to the power of compounding. Make compound interest work for you by starting to invest early and staying invested for the long term. Your future self will thank you. You've reached the end of this beginner's guide to personal finance. Now it's time to take action. Gap 3S, Section 9, The Importance of Financial Goals. Setting clear financial goals is crucial to achieving financial success. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or building an emergency fund, having specific goals helps you stay focused and motivated. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable milestones. This way you can track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. Financial goals give you a roadmap to follow and help you prioritize your spending and saving habits. Remember, it's not just about how much money you make, but how you manage and allocate it towards your goals. Take the time to sit down and write out your financial goals today. Your future self will thank you for the clarity and direction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Section 9. Take control of your financial journey. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards mastering your personal finances. Remember, financial literacy is a lifelong journey of learning and growth. Start by implementing the tips and strategies outlined in this guide. Track your income and expenses, create a budget, build an emergency fund, use credit cards responsibly, and start investing early. Don't be afraid to seek help from financial professionals if needed. There are numerous resources available online and in your community to support your financial well-being. Remember, you are in control of your financial future. Take charge, make informed decisions, and enjoy the rewards of financial freedom. Thank you for watching.